Welcome everyone. My name is Kunchi and welcome to Cooking with Kunchi. Today we're making some brown stewed pork. Right now I have some pork and it's cut up in big pieces like cubes. I'm going to use some veggies like carrots, peppers, onions. Have my ginger, my habanero pepper. Over here I have some jerk seasonings, some Cajun seasonings, and some browning to give my meat a little color. Right now I'm gonna bring everything together. Stay tuned and macarona boy. Again, I have my ginger here, and this is going to be very popular in my meat dishes. Everything spicy that I do, I want ginger to accompany my pepper. That's really just a personal preference. You don't have to use ginger, but the ginger gives it a nice flavor. Here's my favorite hot pepper, the habanero. I got my garlic. I like to smash my garlic by hand, but maybe I'll get a garlic masher soon. My onions and my peppers don't really have a set size. You can make some big, some small. You still want them to be present in the final dish. Right now I'm done cutting up the veggies onto the meat. Right now, this is not marinated, not something that needs to be marinated overnight, but you can if you want. But you know, if you just get home from work like I did, you can just whip it up just the same. This is my jerk seasoning. Right here, some Cajun seasonings. Of course, you need that heat. And this is the browning. It's not a lot. I think it's about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna get my ginger in here. Rub this all in together. This pork, you don't want this to be too lean. This is a part of the shoulder, so it has a few pieces that have the fat in there. That's going to help and give your pork a nice flavor. There's a few pieces of bones, but not a lot, so not necessarily a bony meal. Now to the stove. Right now I'm ready to start cooking, and I'm using some coconut oil, but I'm not using a lot. I'm going to use 1 spoonful here, and that's really just as a starter, because the pork has a little bit of fat, and this is a non-stick pan, so I really don't need a whole bunch of oil in it, you know, to cook it safely. So 1 spoonful, and that really should do the trick of getting this pork started. We're not really frying these right now, Just gonna get a nice sear, help it hold some color because I have that browning on it. And we're gonna get that nice and coated. I have the ginger mixed in with the pork right now. It's the only veggie in there. There's the ginger and the dried seasonings. Now we're going to stir this around in this oil and let it get to work. So right now, as you can see, the pieces that were on the bottom have started to get that brown, dark brown color. That's what you want. And so from here on, it's just going to take some time to get the meat to start cooking down. For this we use a little bit of hot water to move it along. So this is the first time I'm checking it, and you can see that water now is all gone, and the pork is looking real nice right now. See, the skin is close to being cooked already. So I think one more round with the hot water for about 10-15 minutes and we'll be ready to start simmering. So right now my pork is looking like it's almost ready. The fat on a few pieces of pork are like really done. They're perfectly done right now. So this is going to be simmering for about 15 more minutes. Can't wait to dig in. Right now my pork, my brown stew pork, is all done. I'm serving it with some boiled dumplings and boiled russet potatoes. And look at that. You don't know your past, you don't know your future. Every night, you don't know your past, you give it some of that gravy there. So this brown stew pork can be served with rice, can be served with flour, dumplings, bananas, you know, served with some fried dumplings, whatever it is. But this is a real easy dish. Had this pork done in less than an hour. So pork is nice and tender right now. I'm gonna cut it and show you. Thank you for watching our video today. Steps and ingredients are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Leave some feedback, I'd love to hear from you. If you cook anything in any of my videos, don't be afraid to tag me on Instagram. Stay tuned for more like this, and I'll see you in the next one.